everyone, Brock Black Designs. What we're going to do is show you how to install one of our derby covers that you receive from us. There's a few little tweaks that you want to pay attention to. We do have instructions that come with the derby covers and online, and of course you're watching us now. So anyways, what we're going to do is we're going to replace this stock derby cover with one of ours. What you'll get is derby cover and also one of these flat gaskets. The reason why we go with the flat gasket is the rubber gasket will fit on these, but we want to make sure it fits nice and flat and there's no leaking. So we have option to go with the flat gaskets, and you should receive it. You can also, when you replace them, find them online. They're a couple bucks. So anyways, feel free to watch what we're going to do, and here we go. All right, so you're going to have a few different tools to start this process. You'll need a T25 to remove the derby cover screws, and then we will then put on the derby cover. So whatever tools you need, grab a hold of them, and here we go. All right, so derby cover's been removed. You want to wipe this down, make sure that there's no excess oil and everything, there's no debris, and everything's clean. Clean your screws and you can reuse your screws, put some Loctite on them, and then we'll reinstall it, the new derby cover here momentarily. All right, so we got the derby cover, we got the gasket on the back here. Grab one of your screws that has the Loctite, and we just start with the bolt at 12 o'clock. And this first one, we just want to hand tighten just a little bit, just to get everything started. And we will evenly put the screws back into the housing. Okay, so when you're putting this on, you want to put it on hand tight, basically doing a star pattern, going from top to bottom, crisscrossing across the derby cover. Just hand tighten it, making sure it is going to sit down into this ring, and making sure that the derby cover isn't going up over top of the lip or anything, making sure that it is nice and flush before you torque. Now when we do torque, we're going to torque at 10, 20, and then 35. 35 is realistically as tight as you really want to get it. I know the factory says a lot higher than that, but we've been doing these like 10 years, and that is plenty of torque for this derby cover. And so we're going to start that process now and go around and torquing it 10, 20, and then 30. All right, so you'll see on here, the first round was torquing it to 10. Now we're going to start at the second position, and again going across this. This is for 20 pounds per square inch, and again we're going to go the star pattern. All right, that round we did 20, and again now we're going to go to the final one and start down here and do the up to 35 pounds per square inch, and with our torque wrench. 35 pounds per square inch, and again now it's nice and tight, there's not going to be any leaking, and that's how you install one of our derby covers. Appreciate your time, and let us know if you have any questions.